Okay, now next is OMX 7. Now we are basically um, working with the material groups and movement type groups, and this will help us. This will help us in material master CF2 revaluation of GL account and CO account assignment. Revaluation of GL account. Some of the material movement type groups for material ledgers will reevaluate the stock prices at GL level and at CO level as well. Okay. GL, GL and CO and GL. Save. That 9. Okay, this is done. Next is OMX 0. Okay, transaction types. Now, these are basically the movement types for the material. Okay, 101, this is GR, goods receipt, and over here, the movement type group is also added. Okay, and if we just scroll down, we will see more movement types, which are basically processes for material management. Okay, for example, special stock, movement indicator, receipt indicator, consumption, and in consumption, we have other categories and types available. And in consumption is basically consumed for various processes like assets, sales order, project. That material will be used and consumed for particular category. The movement, if you look at it, we have other categories, and the movement is basically getting recorded for goods movement, for purchase order, production order, delivery note, okay, for Kanban, and other customized movement for the material. Special stock. Now there are special stock categories in SAP. Now that special stock categories is also used in info records, and special stock categories are subcontracting stock, pipeline material. These are some subcontracting special stock for material types, for material movement groups. Okay, and over here we can assign movement type groups for which we want revaluation. If we want revaluation for a particular process, okay, for like GR for customer stock, GR for sales order stock. If we scroll down, we will have 102. Now 102 is in general, we are GR for PO reversal. If your purchase order has to be reversed, the movement type, the process is coded as 102. So that was just for the understanding. Okay. Next is OKEQ. Okay. Now, we have already looked at this versioning. 900 is group valuation. This is important because at group level, we will be evaluating material uh, through material ledger. The group of companies will, of course, have stocks at various places, at various plants, at various storage locations. So at group level, we want to evaluate our material at GL level and at um, CO level. Okay. Now, SPRO. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Financial accounting. Global settings, ledgers, and we have integration of controlling with financial accounting. Define ledgers for CO version. We've already done that. Yeah, financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, ledger. Now, define settings for ledgers and currency types. Now, we are going to enter two more currency types over here. Now, what are currency types? Let me just add. Okay, 10, 11, 12. 10 is company code currency and 0 is legal valuation. 11 is company code currency and 1 is group valuation. Company code currency and 2 is profit center valuation. Now, valuation by valuation means we are going to evaluate it at material ledger level. Okay. And if we have 2, 0, that means profit center currency and legal valuation. And same goes with the same coding, group valuation and profit center. So 22 will be profit center currency and profit center valuation. Same goes for 30. This is group currency and legal valuation. 31 is group currency and group valuation. 32 is group currency and profit center valuation. Okay, so we will go for 11 and 31, which means one is company code currency and group valuation, group currency and group valuation. These will be the two. Now there is an option that we add these both 11 and 31 to 0L ledger, which is the leading ledger, or we can have LG, group valuation ledger, and LP, profit center level valuation ledger. Okay, but we'll go with leading ledger option. Oh, this is also stuck. Okay. Okay. Now, for that, we need to see the currency types first. We have to see, and do we have 31 and 11? 11 company code currency and group valuation. This is available. 31 group currency, group valuation. Now, currency conversion for company code. We'll convert currency types. We'll convert currency types based on company codes. Now, our is ZAP 9. ZAP 9 is only 30 group currency, which is added to 0 level, 0 leading ledger. New entries, ZAP 9, 30, 11, currency, Euro, source currency will be document currency, exchange rate type will be M, and translation date will be the posting date. It will translate the currencies in posting date. ZAP 931 USD, because 3 is group currency, and group currency is USD in controlling area. 00 M translation date and posting date. Okay. Enter. Okay. Company code currency, group valuation, group currency, group valuation, and save. Now we can add 11 and 31 at leading ledger level. How we can do that? We'll just see that. So this is important. This is important. This is a very fundamental and vital configuration part, because asked in the interviews. And it's a very important part that we are doing today, and it's slowing down. What we're going to do is we're going to take this LG and LP. These will be the standard ledgers apart from 0L, standard ledger apart from 0 leading ledger, and we'll go into the controlling area settings with ledger, and in version 900 we will assign LG. Okay, and 900 will be LG, and the same version 999 LP. So this will be evaluating at the group level. This will be evaluating at profit center level at a different currency. Okay. Okay. This was saved. Ledger 11 and 31. We have to add this. Okay. 0L company code settings. Okay, over here, ZAP 9. In ZAP 9, 11 and 31, we can now add this freely defined currency. Yes, yes. Now this is added. Save. We had 30, which is from the controlling area. 11 and 31 also added. Now we have AED, USD, AED group valuation, USD group valuation. So the next part is energy. Okay. Ledger. Okay. Now we'll create subsidiary ledgers. LG, uh, group valuation ledger. This will be standard ledger. Extension ledger will be underlying ledger, valuation view, legal valuation, group valuation, and profit center valuation. Okay. LP, profit center valuation ledger. We have two types of ledgers, extension and standard. Extension is always a copy of the standard ledger. Standard ledger is standalone. Okay, standard journal entries, line items with technical numbers, line items with technical number, no deletion possible for valuation differences. Okay, now we have to see. Okay, as generation of valuation differences. Okay, valuation differences. Valuation. We take that on. Profit center valuation. Save. Ledger group LG is created only with the LG. Okay. Okay. LG, company code settings, new entries. ZAP 9, posting period variant. Okay. Did we have any? ZAP. Yeah, ZAP 9. Counting principle gap. Functional currency will be 11. Option company codes. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. New entries. ZAP 9. ZAP 9. Functional currency. Parallel. Cancel, create a project, implement new C info, new ledger. If the company code is not used in productions, you can save the sign. However, note the section stood under info. Is the ledger assigned to a company that is used productively? Okay. Okay. 10, 11, 31. Okay. Now that is good. Save. Come on. It's not there. Data was saved. Ledger, LP, company code settings, new entries, ZAP 9, ZAP 910, no, 12 and 32. Okay. US dollars and AED. Save. And how did this collect 12 and 32? I'll just show you that. And this is the most complicated part that is assumed in configurations because material ledger settings are spread across various settings, which includes this ledger settings as well. So where did we get 12 and 32? We got it from this part, profit center valuation and group valuation. From group valuation, it got group currency. From profit center valuation, it got um, profit center currencies. Okay. Now, next part is integration. Define ledger for CO version. Now we will define the ledger versions and we will add those versions, those ledger versions that we have just created. New entries, ZAP 9 version 909. 909 ledger LG ZAP 9999 LP does not exist. Okay. Fault values, mapping variants. Controlling, general controlling, organization, maintain versions. Okay, we have 900, but not group valuation and profit center valuation. 900, 909. Okay, great. Define ledger for CO version 900, 909. ZAP 900 LG. ZAP 909 LP. Some 30. What? Oh, we don't have this. It's not defined. Okay. SPRO, controlling, general controlling, organization, maintain versions. Um, controlling area settings, group valuation, actual, settings for each fiscal year. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. S. ZAP 9. SPRO. Maintain versions. Okay. 900. Controlling area settings. Transfer version. Yes. Settings for maintain planner actual indicator. Actual. Okay. Version locked. 2024 version is not locked. It will be integrated exchange rate type P. Value date. Okay. Save. Copying integrated planning. Okay. Okay. P. Controlling area settings. Group valuation. General version 909. Controlling area settings. Yes. 909 settings for each fiscal year. Okay. Inventories 2024. Save or saved. Okay. Profit center accounting. Not permitted. Group valuation. New entries 2024 online transfer line items. Save 900 and the same goes for 909. New entries 2024. Save. Okay. Now we can create ledger versions for our controlling area. ZAP 9 900 LG ZAP 9909 LP. Okay, that's good. Group valuation, profit center valuation is also done. Save. Okay, I guess let's stop over here. It's been a little bit a bumpy ride today. Yeah, let's take it at another session.